भगवते वासुदेवाय। Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th canto, chapter 8, text 12. न साधुवादो मुनिकोपवर्जिता नृपेन्द्र पुत्रा इति सत्वधामनि कथम तमो रोषमयं विभाव्यते जगत पवित्रात्मनि खेरजो भुव. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. It is sometimes a good that the sons of King Sagara were burnt to ashes by the fire emanating from the skies of Kapila Muni. This statement, however, is not approved by great learned persons, for Kapila Muni's body is completely the mode of goodness, and therefore cannot manifest the mode of ignorance in the form of anger, just as the pure sky cannot be polluted by the dust of the earth. Text 13. Jasirita Sankhya-mayi Drudeho Novu Jaya Mumukhyustarate Durattayam Bhavarnavam Mrityu Patham Vipassitaha Paratma Bhutasya Katham Pruthammatihi. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Kapila Muni enunciated in this material world the Sankhya philosophy, which is a strong boat, with which to cross over the ocean of nations. Indeed, a person eager to cross the ocean of material world may take shelter of this philosophy. In such a greatly learned person, situated in the elevated platform of transcendence, how can there be any distinction between enemy and friend? One who is promoted to the transcendental position, Brahmabhuta, is always jubilant, prasanata. He is unaffected by the false distinction between good and bad in the material world. Therefore, such an exalted person is sama sarveshu bhuteshu. That is to say, he is equal toward everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy, because he is on the absolute platform, free from material contamination. He is called Paramatma Bhuta or Brahma Bhuta. Kapila Muni therefore was not at all angry at the sons of Sagar Maharaj. Rather, they were burnt to ashes by the heat of their own bodies. Am Vaishwanara Bhutta Praninam Dehangasita Pranapana Samajukta Padami Anno Chaturvidam. Yes, this is the verse. The perfect teacher. I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, and I join with the air of life, outgoing and coming, to digest the four kinds of foodstuff, the fire. Krishna is the fire. I am the fire of digestion in bodies of all living. I am Vaishwanara Bhutta Praninam Dehangasita Pranapana Samajukta Padami Anno Chaturvidam. When someone, you understand, disrespects a sadhu like Kapila Muni, the sons of Sagarmatha disrespected Kapila Muni. So, that is intolerable by Krishna. Sadhu tolerates. Krishna cannot tolerate. So, Krishna is there on fire. And the body, with that fire, they were burnt. It's not that sadhu became angry, the fire came out from his eyes. This is not supported here. This is the opinion, isn't it? Prabhupada says, in purpose. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna da. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna da. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re Sadhai. 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 Mayar base jaccho bese khacho habu dubu bhai se mayar base jaccho bese khacho habu dubu bhai মায়ার বসে যাচ্ছ বেশে খাচ্ছ হাবুডু ভাই, মায়ার বসে যাচ্ছ বেশে হরি বলো বলো রে মায়ার বসে, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই। কৃষ্ণদাস এই বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর দুঃখ নাই, কৃষ্ণদাস এই বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর দুঃখ নাই, হরি বলো বলো রে জীব কৃষ্ণদাস, 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 রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই। ঝরবে যাবে পুলক হবে ঝরবে আঁখি বলি, বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ঝরবে আঁখি বলি, বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই, হরি বলো বলো কৃষ্ণ বলো বেজবে, হরি বলো বলো কৃষ্ণ বলবে যাবে, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই, বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে ঝরবে আঁখি বলি, বলবে যাবে পুলক হবে, হরি বলো বলো রে কৃষ্ণ বলবে যাবে, হরি বলো বলো রে কৃষ্ণ বলবে যাবে, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো এই না পরীক্ষা পাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো এই না পরীক্ষা পাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো এই না পরীক্ষা পাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো সঙ্গে চলো এই না পরীক্ষা পাই, হরি বলো বলো রে রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো, হরি বলো বলো রে রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো 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 রে সবাই, রাধা কৃষ্ণ বলো বলো রে সবাই। Have you taken shelter of? Huh? Maya philosophy. Taken shelter of Maya philosophy, isn't it? All taken shelter of Maya philosophy. Have you taken shelter of Kapila Muni's philosophy? All Maya philosophy. All burning, therefore burning, 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 isn't it? Three tapas, adhyatmika, adi, daivika, adi, bhautika. Huh? All are burning. Because they have taken shelter of Maya philosophy, not Kapila Muni's pure Sankhya philosophy. Huh? Isn't it? Burning. How burning? Look at how burning. Burning. Look at how burning. 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 Yeah. Burning, 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 burning. Yes. This is the consequence. Indeed, a person who got to cross the ocean of material world takes shelter of this philosophy. He's such a greatly learned person, situated in an elevated platform, transcendent. How can there be any distinction between enemy and friend? Huh? Sadhu has no such distinction. He is situated in an elevated platform of transcendence. Purpose of Prabhupada says, one is promoted transcendental position, Brahma Bhuta, only jubilant. Prasanatma. Huh? He is unaffected by the false distinction between good and bad in this material world. Therefore, such an exalted person is Sama Sarveshu Bhutesu. That is to say, he is equal towards everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy. Because he is on the absolute platform, free from material contamination. He is called Paratma Bhuta, Brahma Bhuta. Kapila Muni therefore was not at all angry at the sons of Sakar Maharaj. Rather, they were burnt to ashes by the heat of their own bodies. Krishna is there in the form of heat. Krishna says that in 15th chapter, Bhagavad Gita. Aham Vaishvanara Bhutva Prana Praninam Dengasitam Prana Prana Samasutta Padami Unnam Tatadita. That verse. I am there in the form of fire, the digestive fire. What is that? I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, and join the air of life, outgoing and coming, to digest four kinds of food stuff. Krishna is in the form of fire, digestive fire. One, who disrespects sadhu, who condemns sadhu, who speaks ill of sadhu, who commits aparadha at the lotus feet of sadhu, then sadhu tolerates. Taroriva Saisnuna, isn't it? Sadhu is Taroriva Saisnuna. He is as tolerant as tree. Yes. So he tolerates, but Krishna cannot tolerate, Baba. Krishna cannot tolerate. Yes, Sadhu tolerates. Krishna cannot tolerate. Therefore, the Sagaraputra, the sons of Sagar Maharaj, they disrespected Kapila Muni. So Sadhu, they committed aparadha at lotus feet of Kapila Muni. You understand? Therefore, Krishna is there in the form of fire in their bodies. They burn to that heat. Not that Kapila Muni becomes angry. Sadhu never becomes angry. If sadhu becomes angry, you should understand that anger is also a blessing. Yes. Sadhu's anger, krodha, is also a blessing. Isn't it? Sadhu's anger is blessing. Yes. If you get punishment from sadhu, then you get blessings. Sadhu's danda, krupa. Sadhu's danda is krupa. Danda means punishment. Yes. If sadhu gets angry, inflicts some punishment on you, then you have gotten kripa. Yes. Narada Muni, example, Narada Muni got angry with these two brothers, Nala Kubera, Mani Griva, two sons of Kubera. They are doing nonsense in the higher planetary system, heavenly planet. So, nasty, engaged in nasty business. Narada Muni was passing, but they didn't feel ashamed because they are blind. They were blind. Kamandha, kamandha. Do you understand? Andha, blind, no vision. Kamandha, madandha. Those are very popped up. False ego is very great. They are one sort of blind men. Andha. And kamandha, those are very lusty person. Lusty, too much lust. They are blind men. Kamandha, madandha. So the Kubera Putra, two sons of Kubera Manigriva, Nala Kubera, they were kamandha, isn't it? They lusty, shamelessly doing this lusty activities, sexual activities, becoming naked in the higher planetary systems. Even on the planet, Narada Muni is passing, couldn't feel ashamed because they are blind. Blind. So Narada Muni got angry. Hey, what are you doing here? Coming here, what are you doing? Nonsense. Such a nonsense. Rascal, you do not deserve to stay here. Do not deserve to stay in this higher planetary system. Go down. Stay in the spaces of Sthavar consciousness, Sthavar Joni, that's tree, mountain. Go! Remain in the spaces of Sthavar. Kavar consciousness, in the spaces of trees and mountain. That's anger. But this is blessing. Because sadhu is samadarsana. Sama sarveshu bhuteshu. Prasanna atma brahmabhuta prasanna atmana. He is unaffected by the first distinction between good and bad in material world. Therefore, such an exalted person is sama sarveshu bhuteshu. That is to say, he is equal to everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy. He has no enemy. Ajata satrava. Who has developed without equal vision, no distinction, where is the enmity? He sees Atma. Jiver Swarupa hoy Krishna Nitya Das. He is one who sees Atma. Oh, he is Krishna Das. Oh, he is Krishna Das. He is Krishna Das. Krishna Das. He is sama, equal. What is distinction? Sadhu's vision, no distinction. Equal to everyone, not distinguishing between friend and enemy, because he is on the absolute platform, free from material contamination. He is called Paratma Bhuta or Brahma Bhuta. Kapila Muni therefore was not at all angry at the sons of Sagar Maharaj. Rather, they were burnt to ashes by the heat of their own bodies. And the heat, the fire, which Krishna says, I am in the firm fire, in the that's digesting fire, isn't it? Krishna cannot tolerate. The sadhu never becomes angry. Apparent. It is apparent. Sadhu becomes angry. And that is blessing. That is blessing. Yes. If sadhu becomes angry, sadhu inflicts some punishment on you, then that is blessing. Unless you get punishment from sadhu, your bhakti rupi cannot be manifested. Do you understand? Yes. You cannot become Vaishnava at all. Yes. Unless you get punishment from sadhu. Guru karna dhara, therefore, Guru had a right. Hey, rascal, stop, appad marenge. Karna dhara. Karna means ear. One of the meanings of karna, ear. Karna dhara and also spearing holder. They can shelter of Guru, then Guru karna dharam. Nudeham adhyam sulabham sulabham prabham sukalpam Guru karna dharam. Isn't it? Guru karna dharam. Steering holder, this boat. Body is a boat to cross, a very good boat. It is available to you, available to you, available to you, available to you, available. Very good boat. To cross this ocean of nations, avidya sagara, bhava sagara, dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. Very good boat. And Guru, navigator, must place such expert navigator on this boat. Otherwise, how the boat will go? Anantadas, drown in the middle ocean, drown. Yes, no navigator. So, the Guru Karna Dhara, so one has accepted such bona fide Guru, has placed that navigator in the boat, the Guru steering holder. So this boat cannot go hither and thither. Steering holder, Baba. Guru Karna Dhara. Another word, Guru Karna Dhara. Guru means is Guru. Is heavy. Is not light. Yes, is heavy. Sishya means under discipline. Sishyate sadhimantam prapannam. I become your Sishya. Sishya means I come under strict discipline. Who is there to inflict discipline on you? Who is there to catch hold of your ear and slap you? Nobody. I am my Guru. I am my Guru. Yeah, my Guru. I am my Guru. Nobody there, isn't it? No. I am my Guru. What my stupid mind says, my stupid mind is my Guru. Stupid mind is the Guru, isn't it? Anantara? Yes. Stupid mind is Guru. A stupid mind says, I do. Nobody is there to catch hold of you and slap you. That's Guru's business. Yes, that's Guru's business. You understand? And that is his mercy. You should understand. That is mercy. Sishyate sadhiman tam prapannam. I completely surrender unto you. I become a Sishya, disciple. That means I come under strict discipline. Please inflict discipline on me. Catch hold of my ear and slap me. Otherwise how? The discipline is not inflicted. Now how? You develop complete Krishna consciousness. No question at all. You cannot develop Krishna consciousness. Covered. Very thick layer is there, covering layer, that is Maya. Maya. Maya is covering layer, very thick layer. How it will be lifted? Who can lift it? Huh? Guru can do it. That's Guru's business. He will lift. Because you are Krishna Das. Jiver Swarupa hoy Krishnir Nitya Das. That is your Swarup. Guru sees, Sadhu Guru sees this thing. Therefore, equal vision. Oh, he is Krishna Das, he is Krishna Das, he sees the Swarup, Atma. Never sees outer body. But he is under influence of Maya. Dense darkness, groping in dense darkness, Ajnana Andhakar. Maya hoy Andhakar. Maya is darkness. Ajnana Andhakar, ignorance is darkness. Maya, ignorance, the darkness is covered up with the dense darkness. That Guru sees. But he is Krishnadasa, he is jiva. So he is equal vision. Sama sarvesu bhutesu. That is what you should understand. So, let me help him. Let me remove this covering, dense darkness. Let me bring him to the light. It is his mercy. It is Guru's mercy. His heart bleeds. Sadhu Guru's heart bleeds, seeing the suffering of the jiva. Why jiva is suffering? Because of this ignorance. Because of this ignorance. Ignorance is the cause of suffering, isn't it? My Guru Maharaj says repeatedly, ignorance is the cause of suffering. Yes, Guru sees it, he has vision. But of ignorance, he is suffering. He is under dense darkness. Ignorance, very dense darkness. Let me remove this darkness. This very thick layer of, what is that? Maya. Ignorance is there. Let me remove it. That is Guru's duty. Guru can do it. Otherwise, how can you see? How can you come to the path of Krishna consciousness without Guru's blessing, mercy, without Guru's discipline, without Guru's punishment? Vaidya, Sadhu Vaidya. Sadhu is a Vaidya, physician, doctor Baba. Sadhu is a Vaidya, Sadhu Vaidya. भ्रमिते यदि साधु वैद्य पाए साधुर उपदेश वाक्य माया पिशाची पलाए. Do you understand? भ्रमिते यदि साधु वैद्य पाए साधुर उपदेश वाक्य माया पिशाची पलाए. Do you understand? Wandering in lots of spaces, lots of Brahmandas. Someone is fortunate. Bhagyavan jiva. Brahmanda bhamite kono bhagyavan jiva. Bhamite jadi sadhu vaidya pai. Wandering in lots of spaces of life and all. Lots of Brahmandas fortunately gets a such physician, a sadhu. Sadhu vaidya. Do you understand? A sadhu is a physician. Do you understand? He fortunately gets and comes to sadhu. Pranipatvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Isn't it? Jnanina tattvadarshina. Seers of the truth. Adya jnana tattva pradev Rajendra Kumar. Rajendra Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj, is absolute truth. Who is the seer? Who sees. Sadhu sees always. Sadhu always sees. Krishna sees that sadhu. Sadhu sees Krishna always. Isn't it? Jamam pasati sarvatra sarvantamai pasati tasyam na pranasyami. Satsame na pranasyati. One who sees me everywhere, sees everything in me, he is not out of my sight, I am not out of his sight. That is Tattvadarshina. Tattvadarshi Guru, who sees the absolute truth, who sees the Swarup. He sees his Swarup is Krishna Das, but he is under dense darkness, great thick layer of dense darkness. Maya's avaram is there. He sees it. Unless it is lifted, he cannot develop. proper vision, he cannot develop Krishna consciousness, he cannot be situated in his constitutional position, Swarup. Therefore he is suffering, he has been suffering after ignorance. Sadhu's mercy, sadhu is a physician, Ramite. Fortunately, if someone gets a sadhu, surrenders unto him, serves him, reaches him, and inquiry, humble inquiry is there, and he imparts. He comes under his discipline, becomes his Shishya, sadhu into discipline, then imparts Tattva Jnana, gets mercy, then that thick layer of ignorance, Maya, is lifted. You understand? Sadhu like a doctor has knife in his hand. Yes, knife. Operation required, operation. Operation required, Baba. Cut off. Cut! Operation required. Thick layer. Cataract is there. Covering. Cannot see. Grouping in dark. So, all right, knife is needed, operation required. Sadhu Vaidya. Cut out. Sadhu Upadesha Vakya Maya Pisachi Palai. Sadhu's words are knife, like sharp arrows. Like sharp arrows. Sadhu's word. Yes. So, blessing, full of blessings. Then cut off. The knot of ignorance. Maya. Kata, finished. Maya Pisachi, Maya the witch, please away. No more. Then, good vision, sight, oh yeah, Krishna is there, oh, all attractive. Then he is attracted towards Krishna, no more Maya. Krishna pane chai, kenava bhojilu Maya kore haya. That stage, alas, I have done Maya bhojan, so many lakhs of life. Oh Krishna, then he cries, Maya ko pichone rakhi Krishna pane chai. Gets us mercy of Guru, vision, eyes opened, then sees a beautiful Shyama Sundara. Oh, so attractive, Shyam Sundar. Was ugly which Maya, get out! Maya ko pichone rakhi Krishna pane chai. Then he pushes back Maya. Get out, Maya. Not looking again. Why looking again? Chai! No more looking to Maya. See, beautiful Krishna. Guru points out. See? Compass. See? No more looking back. Finished. That is good. Maya ko pichane rakhi Krishna pane chai. Bhajite Krishna, tadapa dhopa. Then he is engaged in bhajan under the guidance of Guru, then he goes to the approaches. Lotus feet of Krishna. And that's Guru. So this Guru's discipline, Guru's anger, Guru's slapping, they are his mercy, blessings. He doesn't become angry at all. Guru never, sadhu never becomes angry. His anger is apparent only, and that is blessing. Narada Muni's anger, blessing. Therefore, they got the lotus feet of Krishna, Nala Kubera Maningriva. They remained in that spaces for 36,000 years. But they remained in that form in the courtyard of Nanda Maharaj Baba, not in African jungle. Not in African jungle. Man, in the form of Arjuna tree, courtyard of Nanda Maharaj, that is Narada Muni's blessing, kripa, mercy. If they would have undergone 36,000 of lives, still no possibility of seeing Krishna, getting touch of Krishna. But in one life, though 36,000 years, one life they got. This sadhu's mercy, sadhu's anger is danda, punishment is mercy. Yes, you should understand this thing. But sadhu never gets angry, therefore. You may disrespect sadhu, you may condemn sadhu, speak ill of sadhu. You may develop enmity towards the sadhu, but sadhu has no enmity. Sadhu has no enmity. And Kapila Deva has said, that we are saying from third canto, Srimad Bhagavatam, the mother Devahuti, Tidikhyava Karunika, Sruhuda Sarvadehinam, Alava Satrava Santa, Sadhava Sadhu Bhushana, Vajjanannena Bhavena, Bhakti Guru Bhanti Jeduram, Matkruti Tekta Karmano, Stekta Sudanavandava, Madasraya Kathanushta, Sunanti Kathayanti Cha, Tapanti Vividhastapa, Maitana Madagata Chetasa, Toite Sadhava Sadhi, Sarvasanga Vivarjita, Sangaste Satate Prartham, Sangadosa Haraite. This says, Kapladeva says, symptoms of sadhu. Tatastha Lakshana, Swarupa Lakshana. Understand? Two symptoms. Tatastha Lakshana, Swarupa Lakshana. Swarupa Lakshana means chief symptom. Chief symptom, Mukhya Lakshana. What is Swarup? Real. And Tatastha, marginal. Marginal symptoms. Secondary, Gauna Lakshana. Tatastha Lakshana first said, they are Titikhyavo, Karunika, Sruhuda Sarvadehinam. Titikhyava means they are tolerant as trees. Taroriva Saisnuna. You understand? Taroriva Saisnuna. They are as tolerant as trees. The Mahaprabhu's instruction. Pranada Visanichina, Taroriva Saisnuna, Vanina Manodina, Kirtaniya Sadahari. You understand? Unless you develop this mood, think yourself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. Be as tolerant as tree. If you cut the tree into pieces, burn to ashes, it tolerates, never objects. Any objection? No, no objection. Cut into pieces, burn into ashes, tolerates. That's how it is like that. Taroriva says, how can one develop such power of tolerance? Because they are always engaged in Hari Bhajan. They are always engaged in Hari Bhajan. You understand? Those who are engaged in Hari Bhajan, this power of tolerance develops. Otherwise, they are not engaged. They cannot tolerate. If some word you say to Lari, what are you saying? You are astral, beat you. That's intolerance. One word cannot tolerate. How to say that cut into pieces and burn into ashes? Taroriva Saisnuna. He has tolerant as tree. This is sadhu lakshana. This is tatastha lakshana. This is marginal symptom, not swarupa lakshana. And this has marginal symptom. Because Hari Kirtan, they are engaged in Hari Kirtan, therefore they are as tolerant as tree. Then Sruhuda Sarvadehinam. You understand? Sruhuda Sarvadehinam. They are friend to one and all. Sruhuda, well-wishing friend, always wishing, desiring, well, no evil. You understand? Nitya Mangala Vidhata, eternal, well-wishers. They see what? Now, Adata Satrava Santa, Sadhava Sadhubhusana. Directly and indirectly, Annaya Vyajireka. Directly and indirectly, they see all the jivas as Sevaka, Krishna Dasa. Jiver Swarupa Hoy, Krishnir Nityadas, Mahaprabhu. What is Swarup? What is your Swarup? You are eternal servant of Krishna. That is Swarup. You have forgotten it. You cannot see it because thick layer of ignorance, Maya is there. But sadhu sees. Directly or indirectly, sadhu sees this thing, that he is Krishna Das, Krishna Sevak. Therefore, how he will be enemy? Adata Sattva, Krishna is my most beloved. He is his servant. I will be my enemy. Bola, where is enmity? Where is enmity? Where is enmity? Who sees Swarup? Oh, he is Krishna Das. He is Krishna Das, he is servant of Krishna. So, Krishna, who is my most beloved, object of love, how will be enemy? Adata Sattva, there is no enemy. Sadhu has no enemy. That is said. Then sadhava sadhubhusana santaha, they are always peaceful, always blissful. Niskama, they have no desire, no material desire. Bhavatad bhakti rahetu vidvai. Nandanam nandanam nasundarim kapitamba dagadisa kamaye. Mama janmani janmanishware bhavatad bhakti rahetu vidvai. This is niskama, desireless. I have no desire for material wealth. Dhanam, janam, no desire for followers. Sundari kavita, no dhanam, no janam, no sundari kavita, no desire for a beautiful woman to enjoy. You have that desire. Yes, nasty desire. Nasty desire. Nasty desire. Speed ahead. Like stool. You want stool? Go. Become a hog. Eat stool. So, live in the spaces of hog. Eat stool. Yes, that's your destination. You become hog. That's your destination. You become hog. Eat stool because you have such desire. Yes, Krishna has such desire. To eat stool. Alive, become hog. Eat stool. You want that? No. Only from lip service. He said, yes. And the heart said, yes. Lip said, no. Krishna knows the heart, Baba. Krishna knows you are whispering in the heart. You never listen what you say from the lips. Don't cheat Krishna. You cannot cheat Krishna. Krishna says, I am the supreme cheater. If you want to cheat me, Sachidananda, I am supreme cheater. You cannot cheat me. Ananta, you cannot cheat me. I am supreme cheater. Trying to cheat Krishna. He is supreme cheater, Baba. He is supreme in all respects. So, no enemy. They are niskama, desireless. Bhavatad bhakti rahetu vidvai, only one desire. Life after life, I will serve your lotus feet and give you a pleasure. Nothing for myself. Adev santo. Therefore they are peaceful, blissful, peaceful. Sadhu bhusana, they follow the shastra. Tasma shastra pramanam, the shastra says. They, shastra sasdhatu. Do you understand Sanskrit? Shastra sasdhatu. Shishya sasdhatu. Verbal root. Dhatu. From that verbal root, the word is framed. Shastra word is framed out of sas. Shishya word is framed out of sas. Sas means sasana. Ruling. Discipline. Yes. Shastra sasana. Do you understand? Guru means inflict discipline. The Shastra Sasan, Guru Sasan. Shastra inflicts discipline, Guru inflicts discipline. Both inflict discipline, therefore Shastra and Shishya. Shastra is Shastra. Shastra is the weapon. Do you understand? Sango Pangastra Parsodam. Jagji Sankirtan Prahi Jadanti Smedhata. Krishna Varnam Tuisa Krishnam. Sango Pangastra Parsodam. Jagji Sankirtan Prahi Jadanti Smedhasa. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What is his weapon? The weapon is Shastra. Bhagavata Shastra. Hari Sankirtan. That is his weapon. No. Bow, arrow, sword, Sudarshan, Chakra, no. In all other incarnations, he has weapons. And he cuts throat the throat of the demons. All other incarnations. Gauravatar never cuts the throat. Any demon, no weapon. His weapon is Shastra and Hari Sankirtan. The Shastra is weapon. Sadhu weapon is Shastra. Do you understand? Yes, that is Shastra. Therefore he said, that is Bhusana, that is Sadhu Bhusana. Bhusana means Alankar, ornament. He is expert, he knows Shastra, Shastra, Tattva, Shastra Anuvarti, Sushilata, very sober, and they have this weapon, they know the purport of Shastra, they use it, through that they inflict discipline. Therefore, they are their ornaments. This is Tatastha Lakshana of a sadhu. Swarup Lakshana. Swarup Lakshana says, Madanannena bhavena bhakti kuruvanti je drudham matkrute tekta karmana stekta sudanavannava rasraya katham rusta sunanti kathayanti cha tapanti vidhastapa naitana madgata chetasa. They are sadhus where you will find such symptoms. This Swarup Lakshana. Kapladeva says, what is that? They know me. They know me, know Supreme Lord. Kapladeva, Supreme Lord. One-pointed, not multi-pointed. Why are you developing multi-pointed? Antadas. One point Maya, one point to Guru. Multi-point. Why multi-point? Why multi-point? One point to Maya, then Gurudev says another point is towards Guru. It is multi-pointed. It is not unalloyed devotion. Unalloyed means one-pointed. Understand my words? Prema Bhakti Chandrika, Narottam Das Thakur has said, develop one-pointed. Naistika bhajana ei tare kohilu bhai Hanumana tahate pramana. Understand? Naistika bhajana ei, he says, Sakala santa bhave parananda sukha bhave. Prema bhakti parama karana. You will be free from all miseries, all lamentations, all fears. It will develop. Para bhakti, prema bhakti, parananda sukha. You get supreme blissfulness, supreme enjoyment. Prema bhakti. আপন ভজন কথা তাই হবে অনুরূপ ইষ্ট দেবস্থানে লীলা গান নৈষ্ঠিক ভজন এই তোমারে কইলু ভাই হনুমান তাহাতে প্রমাণ নর্তন দাস ঠাকুর প্রেম ভক্তি চন্দ্রিকা is very deep purport. Just I am in course of reference I just tell you this thing. What is your Ishta? Ishta is Krishna. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan, this is Ishta. Understand my language? Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan, this is Ishta. Ishta means I want this. Only requirement. Understand? Only requirement, goal, only goal. That is Ishta. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. Understand? Understand? Narottam Das Thakur says, this is Ishta. This is my goal. This is only requirement. That's it. Ishta devasthane lilagana. You should sing such songs, you speak such katha that will please your Ishta. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. Not Maya, not your own senses. Yeah. Oh, your face is so nice. Your smiling is so nice. Your gesture is so nice. Tadham priyaya anukampitaya sangam rahasansam ruchiransam mantram sustu sasneho situ parakharanam. Prahlad Maharaj says, Prahlad Maharaj words, isn't it? Mahajan Prahlad Maharaj. Oh, my wife's face is so beautiful. Laughing is so beautiful. Isn't it? All is coming to my eyes. I cannot see Krishna. Mind is there. Eye is there. Sing there, thing. Are Baba. Pratham priyaya anukampitaya sangam rahasam ruchiransam mantram. Oh, my dear wife. How can I forget this thing? Such nice smiling, such nice speaking, such nice gestures, postures. Always in my vision. Wherever I look, I see. Ore Baba. How can I forget all these things and come to the Krishna Bhajan? Sadhu Guru says, give up sadhu, go to Maya, go. Be hot, eat stew, finish. That's the destination. Lord Maharaj Mahajan, Narottam Das Thakur Mahajan, Sadhu what says, these words are like a knife. Cutting, very sharp razor, isn't it? Cutting. Words of Sadhu is so sharp razor. अरे बाबा कटी अपना भजन पत्र पाए हम इष्ट देव स्थान लेगा नष्ट का भजन ही तुम्हारे कहलो भाई हनुमान का who is your इष्ट who is your इष्ट who
Bhakti Bhagavan.
yes Bhagavan, that is इष्ट Bhagavan, he has many forms, do you understand? To which form you are attracted? Ananta Rupa, isn't it? Achyutam Anantam, Ananta Rupam, Adyam Puran Purusam Navadaubanam cha. Ananta Rupa, unlimited forms. Supreme Lord has unlimited forms. So, to which form you are attracted? Which form? Shyama Sundara. Shyama Sundara. Krishna Shyama Sundara. All beautiful Shyama Sundara. Tribhanga Thani. 3 places cooked fruit in hand. Peacock feather. Parabhatam so. Shyama Tribhanga Varitam. Isn't it? That is my Ishta. I want to see that part, no other part. Though he has unlimited form. So, Naistika Bhadana is तुम्हारे कोई भाई हनुमान कहाते प्रमाण मतलब दास्तान साथ हनुमान has one pointed, not multi-pointed. Then comes you have come to the Bhajan Patha. So Supreme Lord has unlimited forms. But to which form you are attracted? That is Swarup Siddhi. What Swarup you want? What is your rasa, mellow? And that form you want, isn't it? Was mellow is Sakhya, Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. Do you understand? Santa, Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. 5 main mellows. One of the mellows in Mahaprabhu's line, Santa is discarded, no Santa. Sari Bhava Bhakti Dhyanasa Bhuvana, 4 rasas. Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. Mahaprabhu gives. So which what is your mellow? Then that form you are attracted to that form, according to Rasa Samandha. So you want to see that form. This is one-pointed, unalloyed devotion, not multi-pointed. Do you understand? Not multi-pointed. One is Krishna Bhakta, is attracted to the beautiful form, Shyam Sundar. The Ram Bhakta, he wants to see the beautiful form of Lord Ram. So Hanuman tahate praman. Hanuman is example. Hanuman doesn't want to see Krishna form. Hanuman wants to see Ram form. He is dear devotee of Ram. The answer therefore says, then goes, Sinathe Ramakinathe Abhedo Paramatmani Tadhapi Mama Sarvasya Rama Kamalalochana. This is Hanuman's words. He knows, he is sadhu. Sadhu knows everything. He knows Supreme Lord, Absolute Truth, he knows everything. Just been Vijnata Sarvayeva Vijnatam Bhavati. Isn't it? Knowing whom everything is known. Knowing the Absolute Truth knows everything. Hanuman is such a sadhu, great sadhu. He knows. He says, Srinathe Janakinathe Abheda Paramatmani Tathapi Mama Sarvasya Rama Kamalalochana. I know there is no difference between Srinatha and Janakinatha. Srinatha means husband of Lakshmi. Srinatha. Janakinath, husband of Janaki, Sita Devi. There is no difference between Srinatha and Sitanatha. But Mama Sarvasya Rama Rajivan Kamalalochana. My heart, in my heart, my vision is fixed at Rama, lotus-eyed Ram, not Janakinath, and not Srinatha. Though there is no difference. Understand? This is unalloyed devotion. Ekanistha bhakti, Aikantika bhakti. Aikantika bhakti, say Aikantika bhakti of Vibhicharini bhakti. Bhakti of Vibhicharini. Do you understand? That is bhakti of Vibhicharini. That is, he says. So you should be, your vision should be fixed on your Ishta, that form of the Lord. You are attracted. Though Lord has unlimited forms. Huh? Understand? This is Naistika Bhajana. This is Surga Lakshana of sadhu. They know me, the only object of bhajan, only object of love. They have developed one-pointed devotion towards me. They have given up everything. Sarva dharmana paritejya mamekam sarvam. Given up all varieties of dharma, just as surrender unto me. Tekta sujana bandhavaha. They have given up their all family ties, family members, kith and kin, relatives, sarvasva, everything. They have given up. They are always engaged in hearing my nectarian sweet katha and talking, discussing among themselves. Do you understand? Savana Kirtana, hearing and chanting. They are engaged, they are madagata chitta, manmana bhava, manmana bhava, they are always, their thought, their mind is fixed with me. No other thought in their mind, only I am there. Madagata chitta. Therefore, they are never afflicted with three tapas, adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Never affected. And there are four purusarthas, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, but they have kicked out these four purusarthas. You understand? Because they have no desire for this dharma, artha, kama or moksha. No desire. They are desireless. Bhavata bhakti. Only they desire to serve me, give me all pleasure. This is Swarup Lakshana of sadhu. You understand? This is Swarup Lakshana. Chief symptom. Real symptom of sadhu. Understand? This is Swarup Lakshana. Other says that is Tatastha Lakshana. Marginal symptoms are second Gauna Lakshana. Therefore, these are sadhu. So, mother, you should associate with sadhu. That sadhu sangha is required for you. Because by sadhu sangha, hearing from sadhu, getting punishment from sadhu, that is blessing. Therefore, all your material desires, anything bad, evil you have, that will completely destroy. Otherwise, no possibility. So, those who are always engaged, rendering loving service to Lord Hari, always engaged in giving pleasure to the senses of Lord Hari. You understand? They are Harijana. They are the men of Lord Hari, one man of Hari, Harijana. So they see those who are Harijana, those who are men of Lord Hari, they are their friends. Isn't it? And they see the Swarup of Jiva. Jiva Swarupa hai Krishna Nitya Das, they are servant. He is Krishna's servant, Harijana. So how there will be enmity? He is my friend. You understand? Padata Satravaha. He has no enemy. Even the enemy has not burned. He is not burned. That is it. Therefore, they are never affected by three tapas. Adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Kaya, manovakya, completely surrender, body, mind, speech and soul. Completely surrender at the lotus feet of Krishna. Always engaged in loving service to Krishna, giving him pleasure. They are as tolerant as tree. They never develop any enmity towards any living entity. Because they see his soul, he is Sevaka, he is the servant of Krishna, who is my most beloved, who is my Ishta, Lord. So he is my friend, he is not enemy. Yadada Sattva. Nirmatsara, they are not envious to anybody, they are nirmatsara. This is sadhu. Oh mother, you should have the Asyasa sadhu. The one who comes personally to the Asyasa sadhu, hears from him with humble attitude, with surrendering unto the lotus feet of sadhu, humble attitude, to hear with full faith, accepts it with full faith, putting full faith in the words of sadhu, and gets the mercy of sadhu. Then is idor chinta, then is other desires, desires for own sense gratification, ether sangha, ether other association or other desires will be completely cut off, completely destroyed. Sadhu can do it. Sadhu has that weapon in his hand, so he can do it. This is Atma Dharma, then you will come to this constitutional position, you develop Atma Dharma. You understand? Dharma of the soul. Atma Dharma means dharma of the soul. What is dharma of the soul? Dharma of the soul is to become Krishna Dasa. Dharma of the soul is Krishna Dasya. To become the servant of Krishna, that is dharma of the soul. Soul is the eternal servant of Krishna. Jiver Swarupa hoy, Krishna Nityada. That is Atma Dharma. Every vastu has its dharma, isn't it? Everything, vastu means thing, matter. Not matter is not correct. English word, bhasha, language, nasty. Vastu. Vastu, supreme reality is Krishna. You understand? Every vastu has its dharma. Body is a vastu, mind is a vastu, soul is a vastu. Understand? The body has its dharma, mind has its dharma, soul has its dharma. You understand? So soul's dharma, Atma Dharma. Dharma of the soul is to become the servant of Krishna. That is Atma Dharma. The dharma of the body is sense gratification. Dharma of the body is sense gratification. Do you understand? Indriya toshana, deha dharma. Tribhijasya manahrutam. Ki vidyaya tapasamunena tyagena viviktena va. Tribhijasya manahrutam. Lord Krishna says to Uddhava, Ki vidyaya tapasya tyagena munena viviktena va. Trivijasya manohridam. His mind is occupied with the thought of a woman. Mind is occupied with the thought of a woman. Trivijasya manohridam. Woman has taken away his mind. Woman has taken away his mind. Manohridam, stolen. Ki vidyaya tapasya viviktena. Ki vidyaya tapasya tapasya maunena viviktena va. What is the value of his education? What is the value of his tapasya? What is the value of his Shastra Shravan, hearing Shastra? Shastra Adhyayan, Vedic study. What is value of staying in a temple, vivikta in a solitary place? Useless, no value. Trivijasya manohridam. His mind is stolen by a woman. So, sadhu's words cannot enter into his ears, Baba. His mind is stolen by woman. Though he may be here in a temple, sitting, posing, pretending, just pretending I am hearing, not hearing. Sadhu's words are not entering into the ears of such a person whose mind is stolen by a woman. Finish. Understand? So, the sadhu says, that Kapila says, he says, he has no enemy, sadhu has no enemy, he sees soul, Priti Dharma, soul's Dharma, to become Krishna Das. That is Atma Dharma. Mana Dharma or Priti Dharma. Atma Dharma is Priti Dharma. Understand? Atma Dharma is Priti Dharma. Mana Dharma is Apriti Dharma. Dharma of the soul, Atma Dharma, is based on love. Priti Dharma. Do you understand? Understand my language? Priti is based on the love. Krishna Prema, Krishna Priti, Bhagavad Prema. Bhagavad Prema, Bhagavad Priti, that's the Atma Dharma, is Bhagavad Das. Mana Dharma, mental speculation. Do you understand? Mana Dharma, Dharma of the mind, Sankalapa, Vikalapa. Accepting, acceptance, rejection. He accepts something, I reject something. Oh, this is not good for me. I reject. Oh, this is very good, so I accept it. This is Manadharma. The Manadharma is Apriti Dharma. There is no love, it is Apriti. Understand? Atma Dharma is Priti Dharma. Understand my language? Atma Dharma is the Priti Dharma. Dharma based on love. Manadharma, mental speculation, is Apriti Dharma. There is no love. Do you understand? It is Apriti Dharma. So, we have, Jiva has perfect eternal loving relationship with Krishna. That is Atma Dharma. Do you understand? So, all the Jivas, they are Swarupata, constitutionally, Swarup, they are Krishna Bhakta. They are servants of the Lord. Sadhu sees this thing. Sadhu knows the constitutional Swarupa of Jiva. Yes, he is Krishna Bhakta. Jiva Krishna Das. If someone can understand this thing, understands theoretically, he understands it theoretically, isn't it? You understand it theoretically. You understand it theoretically. He understands it theoretically. All understand it theoretically. Not practically. Not in truth. Tattva. Understand my language? But one who understands practically, understands in Tattva, Jiva Nitya Krishna Das, then there will be no problem at all. Do you understand? There will be no problem at all, though this material plane is full of problems, full of difficulties, full of inconveniences, full of suffering, full of obstacles, impediments, nasty platform. But one who understands this thing, Jiva Swarup, or the Swarup of Jiva is Krishna Das. Isn't it? One understands in Tattva, practically, then there is no problem for him in this material world. That is said. He understands the Swarup. He realizes self-realization. That we are singing, that song. Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai.
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 शिक्षा दिया सबन दिया पीछे नीचे गौर निताय
शिक्षा दिया सबन दिया पीछे नीचे गौर निताय
हरि बोलो बोलो रे यही शिक्षा दिया
हरि बोलो बोलो रे शिक्षा दिया
राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 रे सबाय
राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 रे सबाय
मायार बसे रात वेसे खाच हाबु डुबु भाई
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 हरि बोलो बोलो रे मायार बसे
हरि बोलो बोलो रे मायार बसे
हरि बोलो बोलो रे भाई मायार बसे
हरि बोलो बोलो रे भाई मायार बसे
राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 रे सबाई
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 कृष्णदास यही विश्वास कर ले तो हार दुख नहीं
कृष्णदास यही विश्वास कर ले तो हार दुख नहीं
कृष्णदास यही विश्वास कर ले तो हार दुख नहीं
कृष्णदास यही विश्वास कर ले तो हार दुख नहीं
हरि बोलो बोलो रे जीव कृष्णदास
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 राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 रे सबाई
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 हरि बोलो बोलो रे जीव कृष्णदास
हरि बोलो बोलो रे जीव कृष्णदास
Bhaktivinoda Thakur, seventh Goswami, he is known as seventh Goswami. After six Goswamis, he writes very nice songs, Mahadana Vakya. You sing it and you understand it. He gives Very nice, simple words, simple songs, so sweet, so nice, yeah, and is what is that? Impregnated, with such deep tattva here. All tattva is here. মিছে মায়ার বসে যাচ্ছ বেশে খাচ্ছ হাবুডুবু ভাই, ও মাই ব্রাদার, drowning, you have been drowning. This dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, being, what you say, pushed by the waves of Maya. Maya bose, isn't it? The waves of Maya. Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Understand my language? 5 objects of sense enjoyment. It's a Pancha Tanmatra. Sabda, Sparsa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Sound, touch, form, taste, smell, odor. These are 5 objects of sense enjoyment. They come like waves, isn't it? In this ocean, in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, you have been drowning from time immemorial, and these are like waves coming to you. Waves are coming, dashing and shaking you, taking away. Isn't it? Mayar bose, jatso bhese, khatso habdubu, oh my brother. Mahajan Sadhu says, oh my brother, you are floating now in the waves of Maya. These waves, very strong waves, currents coming and dashing and standing, you are pushed away by the waves of Maya, and have been drowning here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. I am your friend, well-wishing friend, Sadhu. I say, Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai, 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 Hari bolo bolo re sikha diya, Hari bolo bolo re sikha diya, Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai, Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai. All chant Radha Krishna, Hare Krishna, oh my brothers, Radha Krishna, bol. Jiva Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aar dukh nai. Jiva Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aar dukh nai. Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aar dukh nai. Jiva Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aar dukh nai. Hari bolo bolo re, Jiva Krishna das, 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 Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai, Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Maharaj, Jiva Krishna das, ei vishwas karle to aar dukh nai. If you can put faith in this word, Jiva Krishna das, Jiva is eternally servant of Krishna. A servant of Krishna, if you can put unflinching faith in it, then there is no suffering for you. No suffering for you. No suffering for you. No tossing in the waves of Maya. Understand? No tossing in the waves of Maya. Jiva Krishna das, Sakala Ardukha nai. Hari bolo bolo re, Jiva Krishna das. 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 Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai, Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabhai. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, chant Hari and a full faith, unflinching faith that in Tattva Jiva Krishna das. I am servant of Krishna. Aditya Prabhu came before Mahaprabhu's coming. He saw, oh, Jivas are suffering. Jivas of Kali Jiva suffering, so much suffering. And he couldn't tolerate. Then, every day, thundering voice, worship Salagram Svira, Ganges water and full sleep, calling Mahaprabhu to come down. Isn't it? and he took this promise. I promise, if I cannot bring Mahaprabhu down here, I won't go by this name of Advaitacharya. I won't go. This name I'll give up. Yes. Such a devotee, dear devotee, pure devotee can take such promise. Oh, then Krishna comes down. Therefore, he says, Jiva Krishna Das ei Vishwasa karle to ar dukha nahi. Hari bolo bolo re Jiva Krishna Das. If you have unflinching faith and Krishna Das, Jiva is eternal, Krishna Das, then no suffering at all, no problem at all. If you have no faith, then problem is there, suffering is there. Then you are becoming Maya Das, Maya Pisachi Das, not Krishna Das. Then what will happen when you develop unflinching faith? Fixed now, this faith unflinching, hearing from sadhu, putting strong unflinching faith, words of sadhu, these things, then there is no problem. Then he will be engaged in Krishna bhajan under guidance of Guru. Then what will happen? Krishna bolbe jabe pulak hobe dharbe aankhi boli tai bolbe jabe
pulak hobe bole sai
bolbe jabe pulak hobe dharbe aankhi boli tai
bolbe jabe pulak hobe dharbe aankhi bole sai
hari bolo bolo re Krishna bolbe jabe
hari bolo bolo re
hari bolo bolo re Krishna bolbe jabe
hari bolo bolo re Krishna bole jabe
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai
Radha Krishna bolo 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 re sabai.
Then this will be the result, this will be the consequence, outcome. When someone has this unflinching faith in this Krishna Das, Jiva Krishna Das, Jiva is eternal servant of Krishna, is fixed in that. Unflinching is not unshakable, cannot be shaken by the waves of Maya. Waves of Maya cannot be shaken, he is fixed in that faith, hearing from sadhu, he is fixed. So what will happen? He will never look at Maya. Look at Krishna and engage himself in loving service of Krishna. When he utters the name of Krishna, bolbe jabe pulak hobe, dorme aankhi boli tai. When he utters the name of Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
the tears will roll down from his eyes. Nayanangala dasudharaya, Balananga gadarudhaya gira pulokeir nichiteir bapu, Paratavanam grahani vaisadi, Mahaprabhu Sighasara. Then tears will roll down from his eyes when he utters name of Krishna, barbe jabe pulak hobe. There will be romansa, there will be erection of the hairs on the whole body will be ecstatic. Barbe aankhi boli tai. You understand? Tears roll down. Krishna bolbe jabe, Radha Krishna bolbo solbe. Then that will be the outcome. Krishna prema, this prema, the object of prema. Then sadhu begs one thing from you. Sadhu is a beggar. Tridandi bhikkhyu. Tridandi sannyasi is a bhikkhyu. Bhikkhyu means beggar. Beggar. He has nothing in this material world. Has he anything in this material world? He has nothing in his material. Yakinchana niskinchana. His pauper he has. Materially zero. No material asset, nothing. He has not come here to give you anything material, Baba. He has not come here to give you anything material. Sadhu cannot give anything material to you. Expecting this thing from sadhu is gross foolishness, sheer foolishness. He has nothing material in him. How can he give you? How can he give you? His material zero. He has nothing here in this material world. He has not come here to give you anything material. He has coming here to give you Krishna only, what is not available here, Baba. So why are you expecting from sadhu these things, material things? Foolishness! Get out this foolishness! Get out from here, Baba. Have such foolishness in you. No more here. Get out. Go to the lap of ugly with Maya. Yes. Go to her lap, ugly with Maya. You can't get it here. No availability. Then sadhu is a beggar. He is begging, I am a beggar. I am Tridandi Bhikkhu, beggar. Bhikkhu means beggar. I beg this thing. Give bhikkya to me. What bhikkya? राधा कृष्ण बोलो संगे चलो ये मत भिक्षा चाय राधा कृष्ण बोलो संगे राधा कृष्ण बोलो संगे चलो ये मत भिक्षा चाय राधा कृष्ण बोलो संगे चलो ये मत भिक्षा चाय राधा कृष्ण बोलो संगे चलो ये मत भिक्षा चाय हरि बोलो बोलो रे राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 रे सवाई राधा कृष्ण बोलो बोलो रे सवाई राधा कृष्ण बोलो 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 रे सवाई राधा कृष्ण बोलो बोलो रे सवाई. This is the bhikkha. The sadhu, bhikkhu, a beggar, makes sadhu is a beggar, bhikkhu God. He makes this arm. Please give me this arm. Radha Krishna bolo sange chalo. Order Radha Krishna, come with me, come with me, come with me. This is bhikkha, I beg from you. But is a miser, he cannot give. Miser never gives. Kripana. Are you a Kripana or a Brahmana? Don't become Kripana, become Brahmana. Opposite word of Kripana is Brahmana. Brahmana is opposite word Kripana. Arjuna says, Karpanya dosa pahata sabhava prithami tam dharma samudha cheta jasreya vistito sisate ham sadhima tam prapanna. At last Arjuna says, I am Kripana. I don't know what is my good, what is my duty. I am confused, I am bewildered. Karpanya dosa pahata sabhava, upata sabhava. Yes, I am bewildered, confused, I don't know what is my duty, whether fight or not fight. Do you understand? I am Kripana, I am miser, I am not Brahmana. I don't know what is the real good for me, what is Shreya for me. I am so Kripana. Therefore he accepted his friend Krishna as the Guru. Please give me, impart this tattva jnana sadhima. Please tell me what is Shreya, what is good for me, what is real, auspicious for me, good for me. I don't know, I am confused, I am a Kripana. Karpanya dosa pahata svabhava prithami tam dharma samudha jasya bada. Please tell me. Sishyate aham sadhimanta. I become your sishya, your disciple. Come under strict discipline, inflict strict discipline on me. Purify me, cleanse me, my heart. Then impart tattva jnana. Impart tattva jnana. I become your sishya. That is sishya. Complete under discipline. Radha Krishna bolo sange chalo, yahi matra bhikkha chahe. Order name of Radha Krishna, come with me. Don't go with Maya. Why are you going with Maya? Why are you going with Maya? Lari. Give me this bhikkha. I am begging, I am begging. Radha Krishna bolo sange chalo, order name of Radha Krishna, come with me. I am a traveler going to the lotus feet of Krishna. Come with me. You want?
Yes.
Yes? You? People, yes. Inside, Maya. From the lips said yes, people. Inside, what do you want?